Children? Yes, it's an English. Yes, The Clever Jackal, lesson 2. And we are going to solve worksheet 3. Okay, children? Worksheet 3. Let us begin now. This is the worksheet. So please get ready with your worksheet. Take your pencil. Be ready with your worksheet, children. And please try to solve with me. And still, if the answers are left out, I have attached the again one more worksheet with all the answers below this. Okay, now let us solve now. Afterward, you write your section and all. Let us begin without wasting time. Let us begin. Okay, now question 1. Who said the following? As we know that we have read the chapter so many times, the tree has said something, the bullock said something, the tiger said something, the old man said something. So that is a dialogue, that is a statement being said by some of the characters who are there in the chapter. So who all were there in the character? That is a chapter, The Clever Jackal. Yes, one was the tiger. Now listen carefully, all the characters who were there in the story. One was the tiger, then the old man, the great tree, the bullock, the road, and of course, who was the last person to help the honest man? And that was a jackal, the clever jackal. Okay, let us begin now. Yes, A. I shall be your friend and servant. Who said this? I know. Yes, you know the answer. Tiger. 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 Next. I work all day and get little to eat. Who said this? Bullock. Who said this? Bullock. Very good. Next, what's the matter, old man? Who asked this? He was none another than the jackal. Who was he? Jackal. Jackal asked the old man that what's the matter? Why are you looking so sad? Next, people walk and ride on me. Yes. Where do we ride and walk? We walk and ride on the road. Next, you will eat me up. आप मुझे खा जाओगे. The old man said to the tiger. Okay, children? Yes. Next now, true and false. Okay. State whether the following statements are true or false. True, true. False, false. True means right and false means wrong. First one, the old man was caught in a trap. The old man was caught in a trap? No. So false. False. Next, the old man asked a stone for help. Did the old man ask the stone for help? No. Again false. Next, the tiger fooled the old man. Yes, true. The tiger fooled the old man. Yes. Next, the jackal helped the old man. Yes, it was true. The jackal only helped the old man. And the last one, the old man was honest. Yes, the old man was honest because he was going back. Nobody helped. But still, he was ready to go back to the tiger to just give himself so that he can have the food, because he said, if nobody is going to help you, I'm going to eat you up. He was ready for that. Such an honest person at such a difficult time, and it was a matter of life and death. Still he was honest, isn't it, children? Now, yes, now this is very important, arranging the word in alphabetical order. इसको आपको ध्यान से करना है बेटा. Now first of all, I told you that first you see only the first letter. ठीक है, देर इज ओनली द फर्स्ट लेटर यू एंड आर. यू और आर है बेटा, बट एवरी यू नो दैट आर कम फर्स्ट एंड यू सबसे आखिरी में आता है. सो वी विल टेक द वर्ड्स विच आर बिगिनिंग विथ आर. बट नाउ अगेन यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. ऑल आर 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 आर. सो यू विल सेलेक्ट द वर्ड. सी आर इज़ कॉमन. आर सब में कॉमन है, तो हम आर से कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट जज. सो वी हैव टू टेक द सेकेंड लेटर, दैट इज़ जो लेटर आर के बाद आता है, दैट लेटर वी विल टेक. सो रॉबिन में ओ है. हियर इट इज़ ए. हियर इट इज़ ए. हियर इट इज़ ए. अगेन आर ए. नाउ आर ए आई एन. फोर लेटर्स आर सेम नाउ. RAIN, 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 देखो RAIN, then rainy में RAINY, and then rainbow, here also RAIN. देखो here also, here also, here also. That means we have to take the letter here Y and here B, and because it is only RAIN, so rain will come first. Rain will come first. After rain, now we will see Y and B. Which will come first? B. B पहले आता है, so then we will write rainbow. Wait 1 minute with eraser. I'll just remove these lines. Okay. Now I'll write rainbow. 1 minute. Yes. First I'll write rain. I'm starting from here. Space is less. For me, not for you. Then rainbow. Okay. उसके बाद में after that we will get Y. So rainy will come. Now I'll erase these words, so that I can write. Then this is also over. Rain is over. Rainy over. Rainbow is over. Now comes the robin. So we will write first robin, because R comes before U, and the last will be umbrella. ठीक है बेटा? Okay. Next now B. All B, 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 B. Now the first letter B से we cannot compare. हमको second letter लेना है. यहाँ पे U, इधर L, here I, and here U. Now two words are there, which is having L. So first you find out whether L come first or I come first. Let me remove that because you are not able to see the words over here. Again. Yes. There are two words, BL, and here it is BI. Here it is BU, here U and U. First, now U comes last. तो हम U वाला word बाद में देखेंगे. First we'll see L and I. Let us say now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I come first. So bird पहले आएगा बेटा. I come first. So bird will be number 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. 1 I have written. Okay. Now you will see BL and BL. I के बाद L आता है बाद में. Then U comes last. So U के the words which are having U. Afterward we will see the word which is having L. Now there are two words with L. One is blossom and one is bloom. Here also BLO, here also BLO beta. Now we will see the next letter S and O. Which will come first? Of course O will come. Let us see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. No. And S comes afterward. So O. So then bloom. BLOOM, bloom. After bloom will come blossom. BLOSSOM, blossom. So bloom, blossom. Now the two word, that is bud and butterfly. Let us see now. Bud, and here it is butterfly. Here also BU beta, here also BU. So that we will not see. We will not take BU. We will take the next letter. Here D we will take. Here we will take T. Of course D पहले आता है बेटा. So bud will come first, and the last will come butterfly. ठीक है? Next now. M, then W. Now M come first, W बाद में आता है. तो first we will see the word which are having the word with M. Here also MA, here also MA. We cannot compare, so we will take the next letter. Here it is Y and here it is R. You know that R comes first, Y बाद में आता है. So we will write first March. Then we will write May. This is over. Now it is WWW, WE, then WA. So A come first. WW is common, हम नहीं लेंगे A. Then we will take warmer, WARMER. Why warmer first? Warmer क्यों लिया? Because W के बाद A है and the alphabet starts from A letter. Now two words are remaining, WET, wet, WEATHER. Now we will WE, and both are having WE and WE. WE, I'll remove this first. See beta, here it is WET wet, and here it is WEATHER weather. Here also WE, here also WE, we cannot compare. Now we will take next letter A and T. So A पहले आता है बेटा. So first we will write weather, and the last one will come WET wet. It's nothing but just simply alphabetical order. It's very, very simple. Now we have to identify the characters from the book. ये लोग कौन है? Characters means all the characters from the story. For number 1, people eat my leaves and cut my branches. कौन था ये? Yes, great tree. Great tree. Okay. Next, I was caught. B1. I was caught inside the trap. Which character? Tiger. Next, I asked everyone for help. I asked, मैंने सबसे मदद मांगी. कौन था ये? Old man. Next, people throw rubbish on me. Yes, road. I helped the old man. Yes, he was none other than Jackal. है ना बेटा? Okay. Next. Now these are the lines from the story. अब इनको हमको सीक्वेंसिंग देना है. तो फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, देन नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, देन नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, ऐसे करके. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंसेस वेरी केयरफुली. ओके, सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था? फर्स्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, अ टाइगर वॉज कॉट इन अ ट्रैप. सो दिस स्टोरी फर्स्ट वॉज द टाइगर वॉज कॉट इन द ट्रैप. देन नेक्स्ट व्हाट हैपन, द टाइगर आस्क्ड फॉर द हेल्प. जब वो ट्रैप हो गया, देन ही आस्क्ड फॉर द हेल्प, राइट. Then what happened? The tiger asked for help. Then what happened? Next. When he asked for the help, then the old man opened the door. Number 3. When he asked for the help, the old man opened the door. Then next, the tiger caught the old man. The moment the tiger opened the door, he was caught. Then what happened next? According to the story, the old man asked. First, he was told to ask for the help. ठीक है ना? So then he went to the great tree. So that will be number 5. He asked for the help from the tree. This is 5. Then he went to the bullock. This what happened? Okay. Sorry beta. Okay. Then he went to the bullock for help. So this will be number 6. And then he asked the road. Number 7, he asked the road for help. Then he went to the road. And the last, the jackal agreed to help and put the tiger back into the trap, was number 8. These are the lines from the story. What exactly happened in the story? पहले क्या हुआ, then next क्या हुआ, then only nothing. Just we have to simply read and we have to write the numbers. कि first this happened, then this happened. Okay, beta. Now see children. Now here, see all this worksheet we are giving you. These are the solved worksheet. If you have left out with something, you can refer to these solved worksheet, children. Please do complete the worksheet. It's a very important worksheet. Okay, from the examination point of view, it's a sort of a revision of the chapter, children. So please do it and complete, children. And learn the spellings also.